Why become a makeup artist at Paramita? Because I am the only instructor you will have teaching you along the way, and I am the owner of Paramita Academy of Makeup. I became a makeup artist in 1999 in London, England. I've traveled the globe and have doing makeup along the way ever since. Paramita opened its doors in 2002, and I have issued certificates to more than 1,000 students. I will teach you the strategies that I have created to get perfect results every time. Through the pre-recorded instructional videos, I will be talking you through my thought process as I do makeup on my diverse models. Makeup is art, and practice makes perfect and builds confidence. I want aspiring artists to know that makeup artistry is a viable career. You can make your passion your paycheck.